Reading 2. Syllabication. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to define syllable, identify syllables in words, separate words into syllables. Good day. I hope you are all doing great. Today, let's talk about syllabication. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every time we speak, we create sounds. These sounds make the syllables. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. Syllabication is the separation of a word into syllables, whether spoken or written. Here are the rules in syllabicating words. Rule number 1. If a word has a double consonant in the middle, divide the word between the twin consonants. Examples: rabbit, rab-bit; kitten, kitten; ladder, lad-der; mitten, mitten; ribbon, rib-bon; bonnet, bonnet. Rule number 2. If a word is made up of two root words, divide them between the two words. Examples: household, house-hold; housemaid, house-maid; sunlight, sun-light; matchbox, match-box. Rule number 3. If a word is made up of a root word and a suffix, divide it between the root word and its suffix. Examples: helper, help-er; waiting, wait-ing; prayer, pray-er; kisses, kiss-ses; baking, bake-ing. Rule number 4. When a single consonant comes between two vowels in a word, the word is usually divided after the consonant, if the first vowel is short. Examples: robin, rob-in; cabin, cab-in; river, riv-er; finish, fin-ish. Rule number 5. When a single consonant comes between the vowels in a word, the word is usually divided before the consonant if the first vowel is long. Examples: lilac, lie-lac; polar, po-lar; pirate, pie-rate; pilot, pie-lot. Let's practice. Divide the following words into syllables. 1. Player, play-er. 2. Sunset, sun-set. 3. Letter, let-tear. 4. Dreaming, dream-ing. 5. Ribbon, rib-bon. Very good. Always remember, a syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. Syllabication is the separation of a word into syllables, whether spoken or written.